Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start with safety and the right parts. Park on a flat surface, engage the brake, open the hood and lift the wiper arms away from the glass. Place a towel under each arm to protect paint. You bought the correct blades for your Camry model year and verified adapter type. Now press the blade's small release tab, pull the blade down the hook, and slide it off. You'll feel the clip disengage. Once removed, wipe the arm and pivot to remove dirt before fitting the new blade. You now install and align the new blade. Hold the new blade parallel to the arm, insert the adapter into the hook, and push until you hear or feel a click. That click locks it in. Once attached, seat the blade on the glass and visually check that the rubber follows the full windshield curve. Small misalignment causes streaks. Make micro adjustments to angle or clip position if needed, then lower the arm gently. Don't let it slam. Finally, manually sweep the blade to confirm smooth, full range movement and clearance. You finish by testing and addressing problems. Close the hood, start the engine, and activate the wipers with washer fluid. Observe at low and high speeds to confirm even contact and no streaking. If you see skipping or chatter, raise the arm, reseat the blade, or swap adapters. Sometimes old arms are bent or corroded and need tightening or replacement. If coverage is incomplete, check blade length and connector type. One key troubleshooting tip: if wiping is noisy, inspect the arm tension and replace the blade with the exact Camry-specified model.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.